Your checked luggage will be safe with these tips. Arriving at your destination without your bags is a traveler's nightmare. We've all experienced that moment of dread at baggage claim, watching the carousel spin endlessly, but your luggage is missing. Follow these essential tips to ensure your checked luggage stays safe and sound. Let's talk luggage. Ditch that old suitcase. Invest in a hard-shell suitcase that can withstand rough handling. Ensure it has a TSA-approved lock. This helps deter thieves and allows TSA inspections without damage. A sturdy suitcase is your first line of defense. Think of it as armor for your belongings. Use tamper-evident seals to ensure your luggage hasn't been tampered with. Keep your valuables in your carry-on. Choose unique luggage to easily spot it on the carousel. Gear up, we're just getting started. We're living in the future, people. That means no more playing luggage roulette. Slap an AirTag or a tile tracker on that suitcase. Think of it like giving your bag its own personal GPS. Even if the airline system goes full-on blue screen of death, you'll be able to see exactly where your bag is. It's like having a private investigator on your luggage's tail. Seriously, this is a game changer. And if your bag does decide to take an unscheduled detour, you can give the airline the exact coordinates. Boom! No more playing the waiting game. Tip 2. Choose low-profile luggage to avoid attracting thieves. Flashy bags can draw unwanted attention, so opt for something more discreet. Use luggage straps to keep your bag secure and easily identifiable. And don't forget to label your bag inside and out. This helps in case the external tag gets lost. Listen, I get it. You want to roll up to baggage claim looking like $1,000,000. But trust me, your luggage doesn't have to scream expensive. In fact, it shouldn't. Avoid flashy designer luggage that screams, "Hey, steal me!" Thieves can spot a Gucci logo from a mile away. Stick to something durable and discreet. Think of it like this. You wouldn't walk around with a neon sign pointing at your wallet, right? Same goes for your luggage. Keep it low-key and let your outfit do the talking. Tip 3. Shrink wrap your luggage at international airports for added protection. This not only secures your bag, but also deters potential tampering. Consider using AirTags or GPS trackers to keep tabs on your luggage. This way you can always know where your bag is, even if it gets misplaced. Next, tip time for some old-school wisdom. Before you even think about zipping that suitcase, take photos. Snap a pic of your bag, the contents, everything. This isn't about being extra, it's about being prepared. If the unthinkable happens and your luggage goes MIA or something goes missing, you've got proof. This is your insurance policy, people. Think of it like this. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when you're dealing with airline customer service. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And here's another tip. Avoid bags with exposed zippers to prevent easy access. Thieves can quickly open zippers, so choose bags with hidden or lockable zippers. Check in early to avoid the rush and ensure your luggage gets on the plane. Avoid overpacking to prevent damage and make your bag easier to handle. Opt for low-key luggage colors to avoid drawing unnecessary attention. Imagine this. Your bag's tracker decides to take a vacation of its own. Now what? Don't panic, we've got a backup plan. Put a copy of your itinerary and contact info inside your bag. I'm talking name, phone number, email, the works. Make it rain contact details. This way, even if the outside tag gets lost in the Bermuda Triangle of baggage handling, someone can still play detective and reunite you with your belongings. Remember, redundancy is key when it comes to luggage security. Don't rely on just one method. Layer up your defenses. To recap, use tamper-evident seals, choose low-profile luggage, shrink wrap at airports, and avoid bags with exposed zippers. These tips can significantly reduce the risk of theft or tampering. Alright, get ready for this. We're about to get old school, like seriously old school. Wrap that suitcase in plastic wrap. I know, it sounds crazy, but hear me out. It's like an extra layer of protection against tampering and those grabby hands at baggage claim. Plus, it's a huge deterrent to theft, especially on international flights. Think of it like a giant, clingy do not disturb sign for your luggage. And hey, if it's good enough for fragile cargo, it's good enough for your vacation wardrobe. Share your own luggage safety tips in the comments below. Let's help each other travel safely in 2025. Chapter 7. Here's a pro tip. Check in early. Don't be that person sprinting through the airport like they're in their own action movie. Those last-minute bags, they're more likely to get mishandled, lost, or just plain forgotten. Give yourself a little extra time, check in your bag early, and reduce the risk of your luggage going on a solo adventure. Plus, it's way less stressful. Who needs to add a side of panic to their vacation? Next, know your airports. Avoid the risky ones. Let's be real, not all airports are created equal. Some airports are notorious for luggage theft. Do your research. If you can, avoid routing your trip through these high-risk hubs. It's like that old saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Or in this case, a whole lot of stress and lost luggage headaches. Let's talk about those flashy tags and ribbons on your luggage. While they might help you spot your bag, they can also attract unwanted attention. These accessories can get tangled in conveyor belts or even be used to tamper with your luggage. Opt for discreet, secure tags that won't get caught or easily removed. A minimalist approach ensures your luggage stays safe and intact. Your luggage will appreciate the extra care. Chapter 10. Pack smart, not hard. Avoid the overstuffed look. We've all been there, trying to cram a week's worth of outfits into a carry-on. But when it comes to checked luggage, overpacking is your enemy. Not only is it more likely to burst open, wardrobe malfunction, anyone? But it also screams, inspect me to airport security. Pack light, pack smart, and your luggage, and your stress levels will thank you. Plus, you'll have more room for souvenirs, right? Outrow safe travels, happy landings. So there you have it, my top tips for keeping your luggage safe in 2025. Remember, it's all about being prepared, being smart, and staying one step ahead of the game. It's like a game of chess, but instead of pawns, you've got your favorite pair of shoes and that awesome hat you just had to buy. Follow these tips and you'll be able to relax and enjoy your trip, knowing your belongings are safe and sound. And isn't that what travel is all about? Now go out there, explore the world and make some memories without the luggage nightmares. Follow these tips and you'll have peace of mind knowing your luggage is safe. Happy travels.